We Talk Football SA. Sikhona la eGoli Gauteng siyabuka nje ukuthi nayi league yaphela. Ngihleli nomfundisi la. Mfundisi. Konje ebholeni bakwazi ngobani?
Bangazi ngeMoses Quick jersey number 10.
Jersey number 10. Manje nayi iPirates ibukeka ihamba neleague emva komsebenzi weSundowns ongahambanga kahle eMpumalanga kanti futhi noma idlala neChiefs akahambanga kahle. Uthini mfundisi njengebhakaniya?
Sijabule kakhulu because sibonga umsebenzi iTS Grass neKaizer Chiefs uyenzile. Kubala kakhulu iKaizer Chiefs because ma ucounta lama game before iPirates idlala neKaizer Chiefs. Kuyabonisa ukuthi iSundowns izowina league nge2 points. Mara since ya draw le 2 points yabaleka se ithuba oramatafula se ajikela kuPirates. Kubonisa ukuthi kwamanje siyayithatha and asifuni kulinda iObid mele siyithatha this Saturday at Orlando Arena, Amsterdam. We are waiting for them to celebrate our league. We must finish it this Saturday. Yeah.
So to challenge Sundowns is a difficult task. It's a mountain to climb. How did Pirates manage to challenge Sundowns this year?
Into ngayisho ukuthi mawubheka khona element ngibona ngathi space ngayibona lapha icoach wethu uAbdesalam Wadu siyambonga kakhulu mayiPirates emqasha besicabanga ukuthi hayi uWadu hayi khona akusimuntu babaningi yes bebambiza iPlum mara lokho game iqhubeka sibona ukuthi hayi khona man lokho ngathi khona into izayo so uye besidinga icoach izokwazi ine pedigree as a coaching ngiyakwazi ukuchallenge iSundowns because Sundowns I challenge you and you are right, it's a big mountain to climb. Very big because you have one and no big game at Test Grass. No me Test Grass early the 2-0. Still long Sundowns ya build up also I sabi ya build. But the coach went to look at let's remain focused mabagania. Every game is a final. And kakulu masimbisi beka lento osila lento ayikhulumile. And inqiniso it told our players to remain focused and dog when ama challenges here and there. I think ukuthi ipedigree coach yet Abdesalam Wadu. Iyo yenza ukuthi ama player Pirates afunda 1 or 2 ukuthi hayikho ileague izathatha aba encourage aba motivate ukuthi it is possible kusi challenge Sundowns because ayikho lula Sundowns afuna ukutshela manga ayikho lula Sundowns inzima kakhulu wabonile amanye ama teams adlala rugby nekarate wabone ukuthi hayikho ukuqeda bona la mele sibakapa but yabasebenzela but ekugcineni thina yasiza because nabo basizela for bona but akukho lula ukuchallenge iSundowns inzima kakhulu
inzima ngempela iSundowns manje ukuze iPirates izowina ngomgqibelo la eAmsterdam Arena yini le kufanele ukuthi yenze
into qala ngayisho ukuthi mangibheka ama game ePirates ngaphandle kule yadlala noKaizer Chiefs ya draw 1-1 iPirates before half time yiba already yiba nama goals ay3 or 2 so the same strategy or the same strategy must be used by Pirates 15 minutes you must have a goal to motivate the players that we can do it but very yona umsebenzi so right but ekugcineni we have to score kuthi imele yenzeni iPirates imele ifocus we score 2 goals before 15 minutes to make our dream come true or to make it alive because ngiyayibona njengamanje masidlala lapha eOrlando Amstel ne game eDurban City yes ngiyayibona game and le game ayifuni coach ifuna ama players aba motivated because wonke umuntu ulinde yona iPirates but we have to score 2 goals before 15 minutes to make sure that we lift this cup right from this Saturday.
iOrlando Pirates ihleli phezulu noma izohlala phezulu noma ingasiwini league kodwa istrikers zayo akori kodwa futhi manje iyona ebukeka izothatha ileague abantu bebekhala uMakhopa akadlali kahle uMvuthuma akadlali kahle uSmith akadlali kahle kodwa manje lezi strikers ezingadlali kahle izona ezizothatha iligi ungathini la
Isso simangaliso leko because this is what the thing that is surprising people because i-team ayithatha iligi abantu babheka i-trackers zakhona ukuthi bobani lokho makubheka i-Pirates ayikori umuntu eyi-1 that's the coach yethi ithi akuna substitution lapha we have got impact players abantu bakora mawubheka apolice ubheka umfukeng ubheka umremi ubheka abantu ofana bosibilibili anybody can score at Orlando Pirates and mawubheka manje i-Pirates ikori more than 50 goals this year not through strikers but through ama-impact players ama-players asuka on the wings or asuka ngaphakathi right from umuntu adlala maybe number 10 number 8 number 6 so iyamangalisa kakhulu ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates kuba yona izothatha iligi ihleli phezulu and inamagoli aningi ukora any player can score even uSiyema sambona akora ball enhle kakhulu lapha sibese sileader ngeRichard Bay so any player can score even a goalkeeper ukunishena angakora because kuyabonisa Orlando Pirates is a strong team ihlangene ngempela.
Even the fans can score.
Even the fans can score. Sababona vele basho ukuthi sekusele kancane sekusele kangasiphumelela. Lokho bakuqula kangaka bayascore especially mabakuqula iqulu la kasezomeyiwa. Liyenza uspritse ball. Because waliza noma bakuqula noma ubana adlula phe Orlando. Uyazi ukuthi ha selapha kushubile. Kuya so iPirates yamangasa kakhulu ukuthi iba namagoli aningi kangakanani because ukukora wonke umuntu. Because i-team eso vele kungabe buhlungu mabhalisi ngathatha league because mawubheka iyo team ihlangene kukora anybody can score la
hey mhlambe ke ukhona onga understand ngempela ukuthi oMbuthuma benoMakgopa ngoba bakora kancane yini umsebenzi wabo mawubheka lapha
mawubheka yes right uMbuthuma noMakgopa banamagoli ancane kakhulu than compared to our midfielders so umsebenzi wabo ilo wenza ukuthi la abantu bakorayo baba namagoli aningi and sometimes singabathathela phansi sithi uMbuthuma ngakori uMakgopa ngakori mara kunomsebenzi omkhulu bawenzayo ma si attack lapha lokho bona bese boxing bakwazi ukushifta bayenza ama runs ama move and the moment the uMbuthuma or uMakgopa move is creating a space for those incoming players who are police bomfuke to use that place to score a goal no beka amagoli aningi akoriwe ila uthi ama opposition ma amakuMbuthuma or uMakgopa uMakgopa mayenza run bahamba naye and so it is bavula space so umsebenzi wabo yiloko bavula space that's because yethi ngifuna i-strikers sikwazi ukujoina nama attackers and create more space for our incoming players to score more goals look manje score amagoli more than 50 because of this movement of our strikers anybody simpaka noma uRedio Pani noma uMbuthuma noma ubani or noma uAndries Young their main duty there is to create space and lento le iconfuse ama opposition umsebenzi wabo yiloko kuphela that's abangana amagoli aningi
Orlando Pirates is about to repeat what they did in 2010 11 12 winning 3 cups and this time it's 4 cups if I can think so it means there's something right that Orlando Pirates has done
exactly mawubheka ezushile iPirates ibiya kule record le so but iyabreak nalamagoli wakorile this year and komanje is almost 4 cups and mangibheka ngalesikhathi mayithatha lama cup Pirates also repeated again they won the same cup on the following year which means we see another season next year doing the same because angiboni into iyenza kuhleka ukuthi siwina lama cup because right now khona into red enziwayo mawubheka ngizobuyela futhi ku-Abdesalam Wadu angafika akhakha yonke lento yenziwe umsebenzi umnandi wenziwe omuhle wenziwe Jose Rivera no wafika akha khona lapha ngathi kuyashota agqwalisela khona aqinisa khona and sibonga na manager wethu ne president yethu uDr Ivy Khosa noma manager yethu bo Mr Pumi Khosa no Mr Kosana ukuthi bakwazi kusetshenzwa bathenga ama player ecoach iwadingayo kwenza ukuthi iqinisa lapha kube kusota khona kwenza lapho ukuthi siyenza isimangaliso dando what we did in 2010 and 2011
hayi asivale mfundisi sophinde sikhulume emva komdlalo onge weekend earena sophinde sikhulume ngalowo mdlalo awuyigoqa mfundisi uthini
Ya,
suphethe
manje ngivala vele ngivala iminyango amanye ngiyawuqoqa ukuthi iPirates on Saturday Orlando Pirates is lifting the Betway Premiership Cup on Saturday. Come one, come all at Orlando Amstel Arena to see Orlando Pirates, the mighty Buccaneers, Zagama Gables, Pagamisa Cup on Saturday. Ayiko into izovinja uPirates because nalaba siyabasawa sabaqedile. Yeah, thina sesiyothatha izinto zethu. Silanda izinto zethu eOrlando. Lokhu manje ngibhizi ngiyatraina lapha eRand Stadium. Silindile kwamanje sofakela nabo noma singafaka abantu but into ngizoyisho ekugcineni ukuthi before 15 minutes or before half time we must score 3 goals as usual, and I know the Orlando Stadium will be ululating and shouting and celebrating and glorifying. Look, Dr. Avikol ushile ati sitwarana kama toko as ashi sitwarana kama toko Riano Adeko uite sitwarana kama toko Ariano Adeko uite.